Howdy, boys and girls. Now we're going to make some Christmas ornaments. You may remember in an earlier video, you watched it, that we were pulling points for ornaments. And let's make a few. I'm going to start with a simple Christmas ornament using Frit. This is what I refer to as my trash can Frit. It's basically the Frit that I collect the little bits of leftover from all the other colors. So I really have no idea how that's going to look, but that gives us a particular look unto itself. So, let's start by taking out our point that we pulled in an earlier video. Just these cute little nubbin points here. We're going to fume it with gold, because I love that red, and especially when we're talking about Christmas ornaments, it's particularly poignant. But first, I have to get rid of a little bit of that nubbin at the top. A bit much. But I usually leave the little nubbins when I'm pulling points because it leaves me a little extra versatility. Sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't. In this case, not so much. Hey kitty, how's it going? This is Jetson the Adventure Cat, everybody. Over here licking himself as usual. Now gold in particular, you have to get the substrate glass good and hot so it will stick. Even more so than silver, I discovered. And you want a very small, soft flame for gold. You'd be amazed how far a little chip of gold will go. This is actually the third piece I've made with a chip of gold so small you could barely see it on the table. And we cook it in real good. During the course of this process, heating it up and blowing it out, the gold is going to strike back clear. Don't worry when it does that. That doesn't mean you burned it off or anything like that. It just tends to do that. It took me a while before I figured that out too. Now we heat the glass up and we roll it in our trash can Frit. Bake that in a little bit, and then we're going to go pick up some more. Cats are crazy. This cat's over here walking on all of my glass tubes, all kinds of pointy, scary shit in there. And the cat's just nonchalantly walking on it. Like, whatever, I'm just hanging out. There, now we don't want to coat it too much because we just sort of want a bubbly, splattery effect. At least that's what I'm going for. Now we need to melt the Frit until it's all smooth. That takes a while, and you can't use too sharp or driving of a flame because you can't actually blow the gold fuming off. once this starts getting really floppy, it's not a bad idea to let it cool off enough to solidify. You can back out before you go back to melting the rest of the color in. It's easier to work with that way. And then once it's all melted in, get it good and hot so we can blow it out. Now we have a nice little polka dotty crazy ornament. I like it. I like it a lot. I'll make a few more of these. Once we're done with that, it's time to take it off the stick. Now I will be putting rings and caps on these, so we don't actually close the tube off so much as we are going to bust it open here in a second. So for the little caps, you want a bit of a rise, about yay high, that you want to keep. The little gold cap with the metal ring in it will sit correctly and be tight. So we heat it about a ½ inch up. And we stretch it out. Do a little tail, something we can break off. And then take it over to our tink tink. And tink tink. There, now we have an opening. If you let these close off, it creates a vacuum that causes all kinds of further problems. There, now we have a Christmas ornament. Super simple. Might be one of the easiest things you ever do as far as blowing work goes. Melt in some color and blow a bulb. What could be easier? Ta-da!